Hey my glitter babies, it's your girl LaTHRIFTY Simone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another hair review for you. So if you want to see what hair I am wearing today, then just stay tuned. But I was taught to put my losses in the lesson. Okay, so the lipstick that I am wearing today is this lovely shiny red, and it's actually from Victoria's Secret. So it is their liquid color. And let me see if it has a color on here. It doesn't have a name. It just says Intense Lip Liqueur, and it is from Victoria's Secret. If you haven't tried any of their lipsticks, I would suggest giving them a try. I like this one. I'm normally like a matte girl, but I actually like this red. Red is like my favorite lipstick to wear. So I'm loving the shine. Okay, so what y'all all really came here for, what y'all all clicked on the link for, is to find out about this hair. Okay, this is deep wave hair. This is not a wig. This is, these are bundles. So the bundles that I got, and let me look because, you know, I forgot. And I was like, let me make sure I write this down because I'm not gonna remember and I don't wanna forget anything. I don't wanna leave anything out. So I wrote it down. So this is a 14, 16, and an 18 with a 12-inch closure. This is the closure. The hair comes to about here. And of course, you know, when they're measuring hair, they're not measuring the shrinkage, okay? They're not measuring the shrinkage. They're measuring it from when it is straightened, which if you're getting curly hair, you're not really straightening it. So I really don't know why they do that, but I love it. I like it. This hair is very soft. I don't have anything on it right now. I think what I will do is I'll put water on it, or I might put some mousse on it or something, but I don't know. The curls are really, really pretty. Now, they did say that this hair is deep wave, so you can definitely tell it is real deep, okay? Real deep, honey. And this it's a 4x4 closure. So as you can see, I didn't pluck anything. I barely laid baby hairs, but I did put some concealer through my part. So that I did do, okay? I didn't worry about coloring the lace at the bottom with foundation like I normally do. I just did the concealer on top and we're good to go, okay? The hair is the price, right? The price is right, because you know your girl always, that price has to be right. What's the bottom dollar? So drum roll please. This hair is under $60. Yeah, under $60. Well, all of those bundles for under $60. See, if you stay tuned to my page, I can help you find some affordable hair, because that's what we do. We want to have affordable hair. We want to purchase affordable hair so that we can take the extra coins that we don't use and travel the world, because there's so much to see. There's so much to see. So yes, this hair is under $60. I am going to be leaving the link to purchase this hair down below just in case you're interested. Per usual, definitely subscribe to my channel in order to keep up. All right, so the next thing that you all might want to know is, who is this hair by? Now, I wrote the hair company down. I wrote the name down because I wanted to make sure that I remembered it. I do remember it. Don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. So the hair is from a hair company called BELISELF, and they're an Amazon-based company. So I will leave that link and everything down below so you'll know how to spell the name, because of course by the pictures and stuff you'll see hundreds of pictures, but I'm gonna leave the exact link down below so that you can purchase yours. But I'm feeling myself. I told y'all I was gonna come back with some longer hair. And this hair seems like the more you play with it, the bigger it'll get. So it'll kind of give you that, I give you that sizzle vibe with the big hair. Yeah, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. And it looks good with these lashes, honey. And whose lashes are these? These lashes are mine. Ding, 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 ding. From LS Glams on Instagram. It's my new lash line that I'm launching. So if you're not following me, go ahead and follow me, because I'm going to be mentioning it in every single video, okay? But that's all that I have for you guys today. So I will see you in my next video. Deuces. I can make you overdose, make it overflow if you let me. Like a river. Thanks for watching.